Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we're going to be unboxing the Partagas Aristocrats. This is a box of 25 that I purchased from FOH, Friends of Habanos, and as you can see, this is a box is from June 2024, so coming up to a year now. This is a box of 25 and I paid, I believe, $190 for this box. I might be incorrect, but that's from memory. That's what I paid. Let's open this up and show you the content inside. There's a Pavita bag that they send with, and they have one of these Habanos sheets have you seen before. And what I really like about FOH is that they really try to protect the cigars. During transport, they put this bubble wrap through the layers so that none of the cigars get foot damage, which is very common in Cuban cigars. These cigars are 40 ring gauge by 5 inches in length, and these cigars are just marvelous. I used to buy them from Switzerland, from Gesto Cigars. I've had a couple of these boxes, and the problem is that the prices on all the small cigars has increased significantly. So to find these at such a good price, I had no choice but to pick them up. Let's take one out and show you the cigar. It's always important for me as a smoker and as a collector to have cigars which I call short smokes. They're not too thick, not too thin, something that you can enjoy and not feel bad or guilty that you are smoking through one of these. And this is something that if you want something, because these cigars are full bodied, if you want something which is strong and will give you a nice kick, I would recommend you getting a box of these. And these age fantastically. I've had them fresh and I've had them, I wouldn't say vintage, but aged, and I think that they're both absolutely magnificent, and I would highly recommend for you guys, if you want to have one of these for your collection, to buy them from FOH. The good thing about FOH is that they have every single day, at least in the UK, it's 1:30 AM a release, and you have to be quick. But they actually just announced today that they are going to be, because in the UK it's quite hard to catch up with all their releases, they're going to have this thing that if you can just send them an email of what you want, and if it's something that's regular stock, then they will be able to provide that for you even though you've missed out on the sale, which is quite nice of them. So that's it for today. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.